Give bartenders easy access to beer, drink mixes, and garnishes with an Avantco back bar cooler. These units come in different widths ranging from 23 all the way up to 90 inches. Standard and narrow depth options allow you to find the perfect fit for your operation's available space. The spacious cabinet size is even large enough to store spare kegs. Avantco back bars are available in many different door styles. Choose solid doors for a clean look that hides product from public view, or choose glass doors for instant visibility and quick retrieval. Sliding doors are a great choice when dealing with limited space because they need minimum clearance to open. Swinging doors, meanwhile, can be locked to deliver added peace of mind. Avantco back bar coolers come with a black or stainless steel exterior and a galvanized or stainless steel top for extra workspace. The interior features coved corners and is made of corrosion-resistant Type 304 stainless steel. This simplifies cleaning and permits food-rated storage of olives and other garnishes. Each cooler comes with adjustable shelves and LED lighting to make organizing and identifying product a breeze. These models run on eco-friendly R290 refrigerant and use a digital controller with automatic defrost. This helps deliver consistent holding temperatures between 33 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. A great addition to any bar, Avantco back bar coolers offer a simple way to boost your operations efficiency.